Action.
Hello, good evening. Can I help you?
Good evening. Yes, please. I want a room for the night.
I have three type of room: single, twin, and double room. Would you like to cost a room?
Yes, single room, please.
Here is the good night.
Thanks.
I think we should buy a new car
Why? Our whole car is fine and functional.
because I feel great with this old car. Aren't you bored too?
No. Do you think that if buying a car you just wonderful your money?
But I can buy a car with credit system.
Stop. You shall save the money for further needs. Don't you dare buy a car with for any reason just for having fun because you feel bored.
Okay, I get it. Thank you.
But thank you so much, friends, my friends.